Hey, so today I'm going to be talking about the Monopod and Stake Kit by 4th Aero camera arms. Right out of the box, I knew this piece of equipment was going to be great for me because I'm a self-filmer, and this makes self-filming and turkey hunts, even bow fishing clips, a breeze with this adjusting piece of pole. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything better. It's well built, really solid. But I'm going to start from the top and go down towards the bottom. So you have your normal 3/8 thread that would fit your video head or your fluid head. It's got a strap attached to it with a belt clip or pocket clip. It's got a nice touch grip right here. It'd be great for cold mornings or when your hands get sweaty. It's got a good solid grip here so it won't slip out of your hands. It's got 3 adjusting features here, just like a tripod would. And the stake is made out of aluminum. And I've noticed that this thing holds up well in just about any kind of soil. I have yet to try sandy soil, but I hunt red clay, and that is some of the toughest soil on earth. But with the 3 major adjustments, you can get this thing to set perfect, either in a blind, on the ground, or even standing up. But I would give this thing a 5 out of a 5 rate, and I can't find anything negative wrong with this piece of equipment. So you guys go to 4th Aero cameraarms.com, take a look, see, and go get you one, because I promise you won't be disappointed.